how are you today? Welcome, thank you for being here. So today we are going to make picadillo. Is it picadillo? Picadillo? Picadillo probably sounds so American, right? It's probably most likely picadillo because this is Filipino picadillo. So I added a little bit of soy sauce, and of course we always use fish sauce. Fish sauce really gives that umami bomb to your dish. So I like using it for anything that's, any Filipino dishes that I'll be making. So that's one thing that I really love. So this is very simple, ground beef, potatoes, a little bit of carrots, and some peas. And if you like, at the end, it's your option if you want to add some raisins or dried cranberries are good too. It has a little bit of tang, but I decided just to add a little bit of raisins. I think it's more like a Filipino style. So we're gonna go ahead and start. You know me, gotta have your garlic and onions, of course, always, and make sure that you heat your pan and then saute everything and then put everything together, and by the end of the day you'll have a really nice picadillo. So let's go ahead and start. Heat the pan, add the oil, then add the potato and the carrot, and then we're going to brown them. Browning them gives another layer of flavor to the picadillo. Now remove them from the pan after browning and set them aside. Use the same pan, add the onion, saute, add the garlic, continue sauteing, and we're going to season them with salt and pepper, and then keep sauteing until aromatic. Now add the ground beef and cook until no longer pink. Add the soy sauce. We're also using fish sauce and a little bit of brown sugar. And then to this, we're going to add the tomato paste and then stir until combined. And then just let it simmer for a little bit. And then we're going to add the potato and the carrot back to the pan. Keep stirring. Then add the green peas and the raisins. So that was easy. That's really not complicated at all. Now it's time to taste it. That's really good. It's good with like white rice, steamed rice. Always. Us Filipino, we eat rice breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this is really a good stuff to eat with your white rice. And the combination of soy sauce and fish sauce together, it really gives that really nice umami flavor, and that carrots and potatoes, and of course we sauteed everything, and that is just so flavorful. So this is so simple to make, but yet it just that bang of flavor that you get. So that's what you want for your dish. So my lovelies, try this and let me know what you think. If you have any questions throughout this video, just pop it in the comments and I'll come back and reply. Or just say hi. I'd love to hear from you. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget, if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. We would love to help them, right? So thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.